Hey, fellow woodcutters, Topsaw here. I just bought this new Rockler Dust Right full-size air filtration unit. Had a good deal going at Rockler. And in this video, I was going to install it, unpack it, install it, and then test it out and see how well it works. I actually looked for information on it and I didn't find that much. So here's my garage shop. There's my saw stop right there. That's my primary workbench. Then there's my Festool chop saw. And then I have a vac system outside. It comes in through the wall and then goes up into the attic and comes down. So I have pretty local good dust control, but I still get a lot of airborne dust. So I do have the garage door right there. So I'm gonna have to be outside of that. So I'm thinking of mounting it right there. I have a man door at the back and then a garage door behind me. My thought was that if you crack that garage door and get fresh air in there, it'll pull all of the airborne dust out. So I think that's what I'm gonna do, is put some screws. I'll go up in that crawl space, find out where the ceiling joists are, and then it comes with the hardware, and I'll just put these chains connecting to those lag bolts kind of over this table. So we'll see how that goes. Well, there it is out of the box. It has this initial filter here. These things just clip out. And then behind this HVAC style filter has these pocket filters here. And then that's where it goes. And there. Okay, so it's on its side right there. There's a material sheet on it. 4.2 amps. Comes with the direction package, the remote. This is a cool clip to mount on the wall. The remote in and the hardware package, including the chains. See how this thing works before you put it up there. So this is on. I just have it plugged in. There's a control panel there. Low, medium, high. Off. Oh, this is super cool too. It has, you could set it for a 4-hour timer, 2-hour timer, 8-hour timer. I like that feature a lot. I also like this a lot too. Super bright lights. I think it's going to probably cast a little shadow on my lights already. Cord is probably like a 6-foot cord. You see I have it plugged in right there. I don't want to run an extension cord. I got a little more room in that outlet on the ceiling, but not much. So I think let's go ahead and get the chains on it, get the hardware on it. And I think we'll get it to roll the other way. So the dusty air I'll put on this side here. It'll be easy enough to flop around if it'll work. These bolts just unscrew, and then luckily the nut portion is actually fixed to the body. So you just screw that eye in there, then it's gonna hook there to the ring, to the hook in the ceiling. So my ceiling joists, or the trusses, are 24 on center. The box is a little further apart, so I'm just pilot holing and screwing those in, 24 on center. Here are the 4 lags in there, if you could see them. Now the big one's gonna be the lift up there. See how that goes. All right, there it is. Got it up without damaging wife or child. So that's good, I like it a lot. Here's a moment of truth. Let's turn the light on first. Oh, I do like those LED lights. It's actually right on the bench in the perfect spot. It's pretty low down. It's probably like 7 feet up. There's on, working. So I think that's 550 CFM. You can see on the back there, it's low, medium. And then there's 1100 CFM. We're blowing pretty hard. You can see on the paper towel right there, it's blowing pretty hard. All right, well, that was really the video I was looking for before I bought it. So hopefully this will help somebody out. Thank you for watching.